diffuser at almost no cost. So the diffuser is here behind me. You can see that this is the diffusion fabric. It's actually a shower curtain. I've sewn elastic to the edges, the other edge over here, and I have affixed grommets in the border of along the periphery of the shower curtain, right at the bottom. This shower curtain has been attached to a window frame. This is a window frame. The shower curtain has been attached to this window frame, which was just lying around restructuring in one of the houses nearby. So it is a 4 feet by 4 feet frame. This frame measures 4 feet by 4 feet, and the curtain cloth has been cut accordingly. I could get 2 lengths of cloth for this size. I've affixed grommets on all the 4 sides. The frame has been attached to a single light stand over here. Nothing much, just an ordinary light stand. You can see that, and I will show you the way in which it has been attached to this light stand. You can see that it is stable. As it is a 4 feet by 4 feet aluminum frame, it is very light and can be held on a single light stand. I will take you behind the scene and show you how it has been fixed to a single light stand. This is the back of the shower curtain. You can see this is the light stand here, and at the top of the light stand I have fixed a grip head clamp. To this grip head clamp I have attached a grip head rod, and the top of the grip head rod has got an arrangement which has gone into a super clamp. Now the jaws of this super clamp are holding this steel frame, and the frame is not angulated forward, so the center of axis of this frame falls within the base of the light stand, and that is why it is stable. Moreover, it is light. It's 4 feet by 4 feet. To this shower curtain diffuser, I can attach a light source over here. So I've got a light source here. So this is a Yongnuo LED panel. It's quite powerful. So it's at 99%, and I'm just holding it behind the shower curtain, and I will show you the diffusing effect. Now, to attach this LED panel required a little bit of innovation. This Yongnuo LED light comes with this handle, and this handle has got a circular hole over here. So I just take this handle and insert it to the top of the grip head clamp, and now this light is mounted to this fixture. So I'm going to show you some sample footage of this diffuser with and without this light. This is me lit by this diffuser. You can see I'm sitting to one side of this diffuser. You can see the left half of my face is well illuminated with this diffuser. I'm going to ask somebody to turn off this light. Now my face has been lit to the left side by this diffuser and the LED panel behind it. I'm going to switch off this LED panel light, and you will see the effect on my face. Now my face is being illuminated by this LED panel with its light shining through the diffuser here, and you can see that the shadows have been evened out on this side of the face, and partly you can see some light going over to my right cheek also. Over here you can see over here. Now this is a frontal view. I'm looking directly into the light source. You can see the left half of my face is more in light, Now this is me without the light. There are shadows here, over here. The right half of my face is in darkness. Shadows here. The illumination is definitely better. Shadows have receded from the midline of my face to the right side. They have been pushed out. So this side of my face is well illuminated. This effect is produced because the light is very close to the diffuser. If the light can be taken further away from the diffuser, the circle of light will become larger and it will be more diffuse and will produce a more softer effect on my face. So I'm going to move this light further. I will show you the spread of the light on the diffuser and the effect on my face. The light is just about 4 inches away from the diffuser. If this light can be taken back further, then the spread of the diffusion, you can see the spread of the diffusion, it is only 1/3, and the light is also situated in the upper part of this diffuser. If I could keep the light in the middle of the diffuser, then the spread would be better and more uniform. So I'm going to do that and show you the result. I have moved this light further back from this diffuser. So the light is now about 18 inches away from the diffuser. The light has been mounted on a mini light stand, and height wise this mini light stand is somewhere in the middle of this frame. I'm going to switch it on now. And this is the effect. Almost whole of the frame has been illuminated. Let me turn the camera and show you my face. Now I am sitting close to the diffuser, and you can see the more even spread of the light on my face. Now I am sitting close to the diffuser, and you can see the more even spread of the light on my face. Now I'm going to show you the effect of my diffuser. So I'm going to illuminate the left side of my face with this diffuser. There is a Yongnuo LED light behind this white cloth. You can see the outline of over there, and I'm going to ask to switch it off. Kindly switch it on. So there you see the diffuse light from a small source of say 6 inches by 4 inches. It is the spread of the light has been increased manifold, and you can see the left half of my face more uniformly highlighted. I'm sitting in front of the diffuser. Now switch it off. Now you see this side of the face has gone into shadows. Switch it on. The whole of my face actually is illuminated well. Switch it off. Whole of my face goes into shadow, particularly this side. Switch it on. Now this is me without the light. There are shadows here, over here. The right half of my face is in darkness. Shadows here. The illumination is definitely better. Shadows have receded from the midline of my face to the right side. They have been pushed out. So this side of my face is well illuminated. I could make a do-it-yourself diffuser at a very economical price. I have made a video on this diffuser about a couple of years back. You can see it linked up here. But at that time, I had mounted this diffuser on 2 light stands with the help of ball head clamps and super clamps. Now I have eliminated 1 light stand and I'm just using 1 super clamp and 1 grip head vise and the rod of the C stand. So it can be made for much cheaper, and it can be since the arrangement is on only 1 light stand, it will occupy less space. I'm not using other powerful LED lights, and if I had to use other powerful LED lights or cob lights, then the effect would be much better. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was informative. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like these, consider subscribing to my channel, Dr.A.K. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.